Carku heavy-duty jump starter rescue stalled vehicle. The driver first took out his long-prepared portable jump starter, connected the battery clamps securely, preparing to give it a try. No response. The driver called a mechanic for a jump start. Still no response. It's time for our heavy-duty jump starter to come into action. Let the driver give our product a try. Automatic detection upon proper connection of battery clamps. Instant ignition achieved. Spectators stunned by our product. Give Carku heavy-duty jump starter thumbs up.